Now students, come to our next topic, when new partners capital not given. Now come to the question. Name and came sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Admit Prem as a partner with 1/3 share in profit. He had to contribute proportionate capital. Students, here given he had to contribute proportionate capital. Who? Prem, new partner. They had following financial position or balance sheet. In liability side, given creditors 40,000, reserve fund 50,000, capital of name and came given 50,000 and 40,000. Total is 1,80,000. Cash at bank 5,000. Debtor 60,000. Stock 35,000. Plant and machinery 80,000. And total of asset side 1,80,000. Now come to the adjustments. They agreed to admit Prem as partner on the following terms: plant and machinery to be reduced by 10%, this is decrease in assets; stock to be increased by rupees 3,000, it is increase in assets; bad debts provision was to be created at 5%. When we create bad debts, that time our debtors will decrease, and at the time of provision also. Accrued income not appearing in the books, rupees 900. When we write, it will appear, so increase our assets. Prem was to introduce 20,000 as premium for goodwill for 1/3 share of the future profits of the firm. Prepare profit and loss adjustment account, capital account, and balance sheet of the new firm. Also calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now students, come to our solution. We will make here profit and loss adjustment account, or it is also revaluation account, but in our question given profit and loss adjustment account, so we will make it. In debit side, we will write plant and machinery 8,000, provision for doubtful debts 3,000, buy stock 3,000, accrued income 900. At the last, we will find our difference, debit or credit side. In credit side, our difference will come 7,100. So we will distribute it between name and came in their old ratio. This is also called loss. So it will come 4,260 and 2,840. Now we will make partners capital account. First of all, we will write opening capital from the balance sheet liability side. By balance BD 50,000 and 40,000. Reserve fund 30,000, 20,000. It is given in our question 50,000. Premium for goodwill 20,000, and bank, it is the new capital of new partner, which we will calculate here because it is given in our question. He contribute proportionate capital, so 76,450. P&L adjustment, it is given in revaluation account credit side, difference part 4,260 and 2,840. At the last, we will find our balance. So we write here two balance CD. It is 7,740, 65,160, 76,450. Now students, come to the balance sheet, or you can say opening balance sheet. In liability side, we will write creditors, then capital, name, came, Prem, which we find in our capital account debit side. 87,740, 65,160 and 76,450. Total 2,29,350. Now come to the asset side. Cash at bank 1,01,450. Debtors 60,000 minus provision 3,000. Total outer column in 57,000. Accrued income 900. Stock 38,000. After depreciation, we will write here plant and machinery 72,000. After depreciation, we will write here. So asset side total will come 2,69,350. Now come to the working notes. Calculation of Prem's capital. Combined capital of name and came for 2/3 share of profit. Student, first of all, we will find combined capital of name and came. It is 87,740 and 65,160. Total will come 1,52,900. This is the combined capital of name and came. By this we will find total capital of the firm. Therefore, the total capital of the firm, new firm, will be 1,52,900 into 2/3 will convert into 3 upon 2. So it will come 2,29,350. This is the total capital of firm. Prem's capital for 1/3 share 2,29,350 into 1/3. He will take his part 76,450, which we retain in our partner's capital account credit side by bank 76,450. Now come to the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Prem is given 1/3 share out of 1. So remaining profit 1 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Names new share of profit 3 by 5 of 2 by 5, it will come 6 by 15. Khem's share of profit 2 by 5 of 2 by 3 equal to 4 by 15. Prem's share 1 by 3rd. Hence new profit sharing ratio will be 6 upon 15 is to 4 upon 15 is to 1 upon 3, or 6 is to 4 is to 5. We will take LCM here. Thank you, students.